Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting old urllib conflicts, a deep dive into GitHub issue 2963, and beyond. GitHub issue 2963 often manifests as a failure to install a Python project alongside other dependencies, specifically when an older version of the urllib library is involved. This isn't a problem limited to a single project, it highlights a broader issue concerning Python's package management and dependency resolution. Let's dissect this common problem, its underlying causes, and effective solutions. Understanding the problem ***. The core issue revolves around conflicting versions of Python's urllib library, or its components like urllib2, which was deprecated in Python 3. Older projects might rely on urllib2 which isn't directly present in newer Python versions. Newer projects, however, might implicitly depend on the newer urllib package, leading to clashes during installation. This often becomes apparent when using tools like pip, which attempts to satisfy all dependencies simultaneously. A simple pip install project might fail with error messages related to urllib, urllib2, or unresolved dependencies. Possible scenarios and root causes ***. 1. Explicit dependency conflicts ** Your project's requirements.txt or setup.py file explicitly lists a specific, potentially outdated, version of urllib or a library depending on urllib2. This directly contradicts the requirements of another installed package, causing installation to break. 2. Implicit dependency conflicts ** A dependency of your project, perhaps a deeply nested one, requires an old version of urllib or urllib2. Pip might attempt to install this older version, conflicting with a newer urllib already installed in your environment, resulting in failure. 3. Virtual environment issues ** Failing to use virtual environments is a frequent culprit. Each project should ideally have its own isolated virtual environment, preventing clashes between dependencies of different projects. If multiple projects share the same global Python environment, conflicts like this are highly likely. 4. System-level packages ** If you've installed Python packages globally, without a virtual environment, it is more likely to encounter conflicts with system-wide Python installations or other projects. Debugging and troubleshooting steps ** 1. Reproduce the error * Begin by replicating the error. Create a minimal requirements.txt file that reproduces the conflict. This will help us isolate the problem. For example, to use a virtual environment * always use virtual environments. This is paramount to avoiding dependency conflicts. Use venv, recommended for Python 3.3+, or virtualenv. 3. Inspect requirements.txt *. Carefully examine your requirements.txt file. Look for any explicit references to urllib, urllib2, or libraries that might indirectly rely on them. If you find any, consider updating these dependencies or finding alternatives. 4. Use pip tools. Recommended pip tools helps manage dependencies more effectively. It allows for pinning versions and resolving conflicts ahead of time. 5. Check for transitive dependencies *. Use pip dep tree to visualize your project's dependency tree. This will help you identify potential conflicts stemming from indirect dependencies. 6. Upgrade dependencies *. If possible, update the conflicting packages to their latest versions. These newer versions might have resolved the underlying urllib dependency issues. 7. Resolve conflicts manually. Advanced in extreme cases, you might need to manually resolve conflicts. This involves carefully analyzing the dependency graph, identifying the conflicting versions, and potentially specifying precise versions in your requirements.txt file to force a specific resolution. Example code, illustrative. Let's say project A, A hypothetical project relies on urllib 2. The following demonstrates a problematic requirements.txt. Trying to install this might fail. Instead, you might need to find a compatible version of Project A that doesn't rely on the outdated urllib 2 or consider an alternative library. Best practices asterisk. Asterisk always use virtual environments. Asterisk employ tools like pip tools for better dependency management. Asterisk regularly update your project dependencies. Asterisk clearly specify dependency versions in requirements.txt to avoid ambiguity. Asterisk understand your project's dependency tree using pip-dep-tree. By following these steps and understanding the root causes, you can effectively tackle urllib/urllib2 related installation conflicts and ensure your projects install and run smoothly. Remember that the key is isolation, virtual environments, and precise dependency management. If you still encounter problems, provide the specific error messages and your requirements.txt for more targeted assistance.